Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best wood chipper to the test. No fluff, no sugar coating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Wood Chipper. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Sunjo CJ603E Electric Silent Wood Chipper. Anyone looking for a portable, light-duty wood chipper that can cut tree branches up to 1.7 inches wide, depending on how hard the wood is, might find that this Sunjo chipper/shredder is the ideal unit for them. The handy reverse function allows users to reduce bogging down the motor, and the debris bag can store any mulched material for easy distribution throughout a garden, though it does tend to work better on dried materials. A safety hopper with a locking knob prevents the motor from operating when opened. One buyer described, "It's light and very portable. Assembly was easy enough. Very easy to use." Another happy customer wrote that this machine plowed through willow branches easily. The upside is that branches basically are self-feeding when the blade starts making solid cuts on a branch, they added. You can feed it and then go off to gather other branches while the first branch finishes being processed. Number 2. Sunjo CJ601E Electric Wood Chipper. This Sunjo chipper/shredder is able to handle any smaller branches, twigs, and leaves. This garden tool can help reduce the risk of fires from small debris. A locking handle shuts down the electric motor when the hopper is open, which is especially useful for a home with small children. In addition, this chipper has a paddle to help safely push the material into the hopper. One purchaser commented, "Great tool for a great price. It isn't going to do 2-inch branches all day, but it does well with the Scrabble branches that are a nuisance. I've used it for 3 30-minute sessions, and it works as advertised. Powerful, 14-amp motor effectively chips and shreds branches up to 1.5 inches thick. No load speed is 4,300 revolutions per minute. Mulching, ideal for turning branches and twigs into nutrient-rich garden mulch, reducing your yard waste up to 1/16 its original size." Number 3. Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder. For a good wood chipper to tackle small twigs, this lightweight option from Landworks is particularly useful as it's a combo chipper, shredder, and mulcher in one. The twin steel cutters with their dual-edge blades on this model can take care of all tree branches that are 1.5 inches thick and turn them into nutrient-rich mulch, as well as shredding leaves that can be used in a compost pile. Unlike gas wood chippers, this electric chipper is quiet, has zero exhaust, and requires little maintenance, but is not the machine to buy if you need a chipper that can shred pine needles. "It's a small and lightweight, light-duty machine," explained one reviewer. "All in all, a great buy for what I needed to do. Much cheaper than renting a wood chipper." The same customer helpfully went on to add, "For any branches up to 1 inch, you'll need to trim off any excess twigs." Number 4. Super Handy Mini Wood Chipper Shredder. For a versatile and efficient wood chipper that is EPA and CARB certified, this super handy tool is top of the line. This tool is best for corn stalks, larger dried branches that are up to 3 inches thick, as well as leaves. Like most wood chippers, this machine should not be used to shred pine cones, needles, palm fronds, or freshly cut debris, and safety gear is essential while using it. One customer described this tool as a mini wood chipping beast, adding that it does a great job of chipping up tree limbs, bush, honeysuckle, and small trees. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 horsepower horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine handles up to 3 inches diameter wood without a problem. Fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended, 0.7 gallons max capacity. Max speed, 3,600 RPM, max torque, 9.14 feet to pounds at 2,500 RPM, engine oil not included. Number 5. Landworks Mini Wood Chipper Shredder. This versatile wood shredder features an adjustable discharge guide, a vertically extendable discharge chute, and a shredding chute at a convenient angle for effortless loading. It's one of the top wood chippers for creating nutrient-rich wood chips that can reduce weeds in a garden or for a compost pile. One shopper reported that the assembly was a breeze and that it started easily too, adding that it burned right through branches of up to 2.5 inches, breaking them down to much finer chips than I had anticipated. This mini wood chipper shredder mulcher design has a reduction ratio of 15:1, capable of high volume chipping/shredding/mulching via the large extended feeing chute for up to 3 inches max branches, limbs and debris. Unique design, built to be compact and lighter than other steel chippers, this design has a highly desirable vertical extended discharge chute with an adjustable discharge guide to deliver accurate debris discharge, with an angled range of 90 degrees - 145 degrees. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.